Screening plays a very important role to make the diagnosis early in a patient, prevent them from landing in complications associated with the diabetes. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Shweta, Senior Consultant Endocrinology and Diabetes at Xyla Health. अगर बॉडी में ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल इंक्रीज होने लग गए हैं तो इससे क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हमारी बॉडी में आ सकते हैं. द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस दैट वी विटनेस बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज इन द ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल they are gradual and silent. They will not show major symptoms. And gradual means कि अगर आज शुगर बढ़ा है तो ये मतलब नहीं है कि कल के कल आपको complications present हो जाएंगे. It will require or it will be a gradual thing that our organs will be affected and the damage will be irreversible. About 50% of the patient who are diabetic, they are generally asymptomatic or only mild symptoms will be presented. For example, like fatigueness, they are unable to concentrate or they are extremely tired. बट अगर हम ऐसे पेशेंट्स में ये सोचें कि जब सिम्टम्स प्रेजेंट होगा तभी हम डायबिटीज़ के डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट कराएंगे, सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ मोर देन 50% ऑफ डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू लूज एंड दे माइट डेवलप कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ द ऑर्गन्स इन द फ्यूचर. स्क्रीनिंग प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल टू make the diagnosis early in a patient, prevent them from landing in complications associated with the diabetes. Screening in high-risk patient. Who are these high-risk patients? Certain patients with age more than 45 years, having a family history of diabetes, who are overweight or obese, having a history of gestational diabetes, having the signs of insulin resistance like acanthosis or PCOS, or dyslipidemia or hypertension. These patients should go for the screening for the early detection of diabetes. Which parameters we take into account for making the diagnosis of a patient of diabetes? For the diagnostic criteria, we take into account the fasting blood glucose level if it is more than 126 milligram per deciliter. Second is the postprandial with OGTT if it is more than 200 milligram per deciliter. Third pointer is about HbA1c if it is more than 6.5%. Fourth is if in case of the symptomatic patient, if the blood glucose random value is more than 200 milligram per deciliter. Of these four diagnostic criteria, if the two values are deranged in a single sample or we take into account two different samples at different occasions, if they show a deranged value, we label the patient as a diabetic.